Contrary to what you may think, ad revenue is not the only or even the best way to make money on YouTube, especially with a small channel. Sure, larger entertainment or news style channels that post daily and have huge numbers of views will see ads as a key way to make money and be heavily dependent on them. But most channels need multiple income streams to be truly profitable. Depending on ad revenue alone these days is also risky. Demand for ads or channel views may decrease over time, and there's always the chance that YouTube will temporarily demonetize your channel. So relying on ads alone can leave you vulnerable. You could also be massively undervaluing the worth of that attention you work so damn hard to get. Do you really think that getting paid a couple of cents, if you're lucky, per view to send someone away from your channel is the best course of action? After all, if they leave, they are no longer watching your videos and may never come back. Look at it from this angle. If you get 100,000 views per month and get paid 1 cent per view on average, then that would be $1,000 per month in ad revenue, which sounds good. However, if you are uploading 3 videos per week, then that's just $83 per video. Assuming it takes you at least a day to make that video, then chances are you're making about $8 to $10 per hour, which is a pretty bad use of your time if you stop there. This is why many YouTubers give up. They just can't make enough money. But if you are paying for ads on YouTube to sell your products and services, then you may be paying 10 cents per view or even 3 times that depending on your country or niche. That means the market values the views on your channel at $10,000 per month. That's 10x what you were getting as a YouTube partner. You see, the real money comes from leveraging the views and attention your channel gets for your benefit. If you put other products or services in your videos with links in the description, then you automatically get a bigger piece of the pie. That's how you truly build profitable YouTube channels. It's why a channel of 10,000 subscribers can be making much more money than a channel of 100,000 subscribers. So here's an overview of the 6 main ways profitable channels make money on YouTube. If you want to go into more detail, then I'll link to a playlist at the end of the video where I break down each method and show you live examples. Number 1, ads. Although not the best way as mentioned, ads can form a great cash foundation for your channel. Although I see it as more of an added bonus, it helps focus your channel growth in the beginning as you learn what your audience likes and doesn't like. So it's a great way to gauge your improvement and growth. So everybody should be trying to get monetized when starting out. To get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a 12-month period. After which, YouTube will let you join their partners program. Now, I'll put links in the video description to our free channel profits blueprint, which outlines exactly how to monetize your channel in as little as 90 days. Number 2, channel farming. This is growing in popularity and is something that I now do full time. Channel farming is where you build channels for profit. These are normally faceless channels made up of animated or stock footage combined with a voiceover. The great thing about this is you can outsource everything, so it's completely automated and scalable. You could, for example, start one channel yourself, and when it starts to make money, you could use that profit to build another. You essentially farm channels and build teams as you grow. If you then add multiple income streams to each channel, then you can make some serious money from this strategy. Number 3, affiliate marketing. One of my personal favorites, affiliate marketing, is where you get paid for recommending other people's products and services. These commission payments vary, but some digital products can pay as much as 50 to 70% of the sale, and you don't have to create, sell, or manage anything yourself. It can literally be some of the most passive income you'll ever make. And there are thousands of products in just about every niche, making it very easy to find matching products to recommend. Number 4, online courses. Another favorite of mine is online courses, as they are a perfect match for many channels, especially education or how-to niches. People actively come to YouTube to learn and get questions answered. So selling online courses that go into more detail is a natural next step. Number 5, products and services. Depending on what your channel does, there are plenty of products and services you could offer. This could be channel merch for loyal fans, your own clothing brand, gadgets you review, or products you use. For example, fishing equipment if you have a fishing channel. You could also offer services such as coaching or other professional services if you have a business. Number 6, sponsorship. This is where businesses and brands come to you as your channel grows, asking if they can sponsor a video or your entire channel. In return for you recommending their products or services, you get paid. Now, this is similar to ads, but you basically cut YouTube out of the equation, which means a bigger piece of the pie for you. Now, if you would like to discover more about these methods, then I'll put a link to the full playlist in the corner of this video. And if you'd like to get free access to our Channel Profits Blueprint for faster monetization and growth, then check out the link in the description as well. Until next time.